There's been a lot of noise around stems and the XDJ-AZ. Tons of DJs are mad at Alpha Theta for not including stems in their brand new flagship controller. But here's the thing, you probably don't need it. Today we're breaking down what stems are, who they are really for, and when they matter. Or don't. And stick around till the end because I'm gonna tell you what the top DJs are using. First, stems are a fantastic tool for specific types of DJs, especially open format DJs who like doing heavy mashups and remixes on the fly. With stems, you can isolate vocals, drums and melodies directly on the decks, giving you incredible flexibility during a set. It's like having Ableton, FL Studio or a sampler like the DJS-1000 built into the controller. But, as always with nice things, there's a catch. Your laptop needs to be powerful enough to handle it. Running stems on an older, underpowered machine like this dinosaur could lead to big load time, audio glitches, or even a song freeze mid-set, which can be catastrophic during a gig. Très content. If you're someone with a good laptop who likes to perform live remixes and mashups, stems can be amazing. And if that's you, just grab a second-hand flex stand. It's really portable, powerful, and specifically designed to make the most out of stems without any hiccups. Before I get into who does not need stems, I'll tell you what you need. If you're liking this video so far, smash that like button, leave a comment and subscribe to this channel. It really helps my projects grow. Now, if you're a DJ playing clubs, festival or any gigs where you're not using a laptop, stems are not for you. Instead, focus on preparing your tracks in advance. Here are some of my DJ tips. First, and the easiest, buy your tracks from record pools like Beatport, ZipDJ or DJ City. If you're lucky, you'll be able to find stems directly with the song, but be aware that not every producer always uploads their stems. Then, if you already have a track, prepare multiple versions, one with just vocals, one with drums, one with melody. I personally use a site called vocalremover.org, which is free, but you really should help the developer. With the free version, you only get one upload every few hours and the quality is limited. However, it's costing me less than a coffee every month to access the full potential of this website. And you'll find all the links in the video description if you're interested. Let's go for a quick rundown of this website. First, upload your audio file. Then, the algorithm will separate all the stems that are available in your song. So drums, bass, melody, and vocals. Then you'll be able to listen to each stem separately to see if everything's okay. Then choose what you want to save. You can download music, vocals, bass or drums. Select the downloaded stems and paste them in your software of choice. You will see now that all of the stems have been loaded into my software, Ableton, and I can play them. Finally, save these versions to your USB. Where's my USB? Finally, save this version to your USB. Prepare your cue points and you're ready to go. Congratulations, creative DJ sets without a laptop are now at the tip of your fingers. This approach is not only reliable, but also helps you create unique edits, unique mashups and remixes live. Perfect for standing out in your professional sets. It's the technique used by many of the top DJs all over the world. In conclusion, do you have a recent, powerful enough laptop? Either travel or want to travel with your controller? Play open format gigs where versatility is key. If you answered yes, then the DJJ Flex 10 is made for you. Its stems features will let you remix on the fly, it's light and has all the advanced features a DJ need, like 4-decks mixing, full-size jog wheels, and a quality mixer section. For everyone else, here's how to make the most of what you already have. Prepare your track better. Set cue points where only drums, vocals, or melodies are present. You can even assign unique color to each type for quick access with a peek. Extract stems offline. Use software like Vocal Remover to prep multiple versions of the track, or look for DJ record pools with built-in stems. You'll even be able to look cool using multiple CDJs like this guy.
DJ, hit that switch. 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 DJ, hit that.
Then master your EQ. Even without stems, skillful EQing lets you balance tracks on the go. It's clearly not perfect, but balancing a song's EQ is basically the essence of DJing. Just use what you have at your disposal, and most importantly, have fun. DJing is about enjoying what you do and sharing it with your audience. Be creative, be inventive. Thanks for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, leave a like, and let me know in the comments. Do you use stems in your DJ sets? See you in the next video.